Because Umar has relatives in Turkey, he wants to visit there in the worst way. Next, to cope out. To avoid one's responsibility or to quit. This idiom is an informal version of the second definition, to back out. The noun form cope out means an excuse for avoiding responsibility. Examples are: Evelyn had agreed to help us with arrangements for the party, but she copped out at the last minute. I can't believe that Clindy offered such an explanation for failing to show up. What a poor cop out. Next, to line up. To line up means to form a line, to arrange to have, to manage to obtain. The moviegoers lined up in front of the theatre showing the most popular film of the summer. Rob is going to be scheduled to schedule the famous author to speak at the convention if he can line up in time. Next, to lose one's cool. To lose one's cool means to be excited, angry or frustrated or flustered. Despite the boos from someone in the audience, the actors on stage never lost their cool. Although the group of skiers were in danger